Welcome back. It's me, Jasmine from Morris Creations. I'm going to show you how to upload a pattern into Cricut Design Space so you do not have to um, crop and slice your image to fit inside whatever shape you need. You can just scale it inside the shape that you currently have, okay? First, you're going to go to Upload. You're going to see Image Upload here. You're going to go over to Pattern, Upload Pattern. Then you going to browse your computer, find wherever you have your pattern image on your computer. I'm going to look for an image. I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to open it up. It's loading. It says my pattern was successfully uploaded. Okay, I'm going to change this pattern to something else. So now I select the item that I want to change. I'm going over here to operations. I'm going to click to the right of it. Normally it's on color, but since it's already a pattern there, you're going to click pattern. I'm going to select this one right here because that's where you see all your, this is where all your uploaded patterns will be, right here. Okay, so I already have it selected. As you can see, it changed back here. Now I want to scale it. If you want to change how it looks, the size, you go to edit pattern and you're going to come over here. This allows it to get bigger, smaller, however you like. Okay, and you can also move it over, rotate it. This is the same as this, you know. This is supposed to be a seamless pattern. I'm going to move it over some more. Sorry guys, just give me one moment. I want to get this aligned. I see a line. I guess it doesn't matter. Am I going to make it bigger a little bit? Click out and look how big it made it. I don't want it this big, so I will scale it down. I'm going to edit, scale down, and see in the back right there it's changing. Let's see. See how I like that. I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? And that is how, and then if you move this around, it stays there. That's how you would upload a pattern into Design Space.